Hi boys and girls, and welcome to day 2 of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today we are going to be doing our Fred finger spelling with 1.6 words. Wow. I have got Fred here to help us out too. Can we say good morning, Fred? He's super excited to see you all. Okay, Miss Brown has got 2 words that we're going to go over together. Now, remember, Miss Brown and Fred says the word, and then you've got to put your hands behind your back and tell Miss Brown and Fred how many Fred fingers there are in that word. How many sounds do you hear? Okay, let's have an example to start with, just to get our brains thinking, okay? Here's Fred, telling Miss Brown the word. Got you, Fred. Okay, the first word is quiz. Quiz. How many Fred fingers do I have in the word quiz? Hide your hands, and when I say reveal, you show me your fingers, okay? Quiz, quiz. How many Fred fingers are in the word quiz? 1, 2, 3, reveal. That's right, there's 3 Fred fingers. I wonder if we can pinch the sounds to help us read this word and spell this word. You ready? The first sound that we can hear in quiz is qui, z. Quiz. We have a special friend at the start. Now, do I hold 2 fingers up for special friend sounds or 1? That's right, it's just 1. It's 2 letters, but a special friend sound only makes 1 sound. Quiz. Qui, z. Now, this signal that Miss Brown uses means I want you to go and have a go at writing it down. But because this is an example, we're going to write it together, okay? First of all. So, the first sound in quiz, using my Fred fingers, is qui, qui. What 2 letters make up the quiz sound, boys and girls? That's right, a qui and an ah. Now, how do I show that this is a special friend sound and it's not two different sounds? Do you remember? What do we have to do to our special friend sounds? That's right. Underline them. We've got qui. Using my Fred fingers, my middle sound is insect. And I put a dot at the bottom of that to show that that's a single sound. Qui, z is my last sound. Zig, zag, zig. And I put a dot at the bottom of my z as well. Let's check this word and see if we've got it correct. You ready? Qui, z. Quiz, can you do that? Quiz, quiz. Well done, boys and girls. We have spelt the word quiz. If you got your qui correct, give it a tick. If you got your and your z, give it a tick. Okay, are you ready to get involved? Have you got a pencil or pen, and your learning jotter ready? Okay. Fred is so excited to tell me this next word. The word that I want you to tell me how many Fred fingers are needed is chin. Thanks, Fred. chin. Hide your hands. How many frayed fingers does the word chin have? Chin. 1, 2, 3, show me your fingers. It's 3 again. I wonder if you can pinch these sounds, boys and girls. The first sound is ch, n. Chin. Your turn on your own. Chin. Chin. Now remember, what does this symbol mean? Have a go at writing it down. Use your frayed fingers to help you if you get stuck. Keep pinching those sounds. On you go. Remember to underline those special friends as well. And dot underneath the single sounds, okay? Right. Are we ready to write? Let's check it on the board. What is the first sound in chin? That's right, ch, special friend sound. What 2 letters make up the ch sound? That's right, boys and girls. It's a curly K and a H. Ch. First frayed finger. What is my middle sound? My middle frayed finger. Ch. Good job. And a dot underneath to show that it's a single sound. Keep shouting out at Miss Brown. Ch. My last sound. N. Down Nobby and over his neck. And a dot underneath to show it's a single sound. Let's check to see if we've got it right, boys and girls. Point and sweep. Ch, n. Chin. Your turn. Chin. Chin. Okay, it comes to marking now. Give yourself a tick if you got your ch sound correct. Give yourself a tick if you got the middle sound, the correct. And give yourself a tick if you got our last sound in chin, n, correct. Now, boys and girls, if you've got some of your letters the wrong way round, or you got a little muddled with your sounds, what I'd like you to do is write the correct word, how it's spelled, chin, next to it. And take a photograph to show Miss Brown that you've corrected your work, okay? Super spelling, boys and girls. We have written and spelt the word chin. Excellent. Okay, are we ready for our last word? Oh, that's a tricky one, Fred, but I think they're up for the challenge. Are you ready? How many frayed fingers are in the word thing? Thing. That's a real tricky one, boys and girls. Think of those special friends. And remember, it's only one frayed finger for a special friend sound. Thing. 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 Hide your fingers. Oops. Hide your fingers. 1, 2, 3, reveal. It's 3 again. But this time is a little bit different because there's 2 special friends in this word and only one single sound. Let's pinch to find out what those special friends are. First sound is the sound, t and h. Middle sound, good job. And my last sound, another special friend sound, thing on a string. Thing. I wonder if you can use your Fred fingers to write it down. Off you go, boys and girls. Remember to underline those special friend sounds and a dot for the single sound. Thing. Keep using those Fred fingers to help you spell the words. Right, are we ready to write? Okay. Boys and girls, first sound in thing is... Good job. What makes up the sound? That's right, it's a T and a H. First sound. Next sound. Down the insect's body and a dot for the head. And dot underneath to show that it's a single sound. Last sound. Another special friend sound. What makes up the sound? Correct. It's a and a g. And what do I need to do to this special friend sound? Underline it. Let's check. We ready? Point and sweep. Thing. Your turn. Thing. Thing. Excellent. Marking time. Give yourself a tick if you got the first sound. Now remember, if you got your special friends the wrong way round, or you've maybe not formed your letters correctly, you can write it next to it properly. Okay? Tick for middle sound, and give yourself a tick if you got the sound on the end. Boys and girls, I am super duper impressed with how well we've used our Fred fingers to help us spell words today. Fred says, ooh la la. Give yourself an ooh la la, boys and girls. What super spellers you are. And I'll see you next week for more Read Write Ink videos. Well done, boys and girls.